Hi. Okay, so my friend Deli, hi Deli, brought me some vegan eggs. Vegan eggs. So this is this is not an egg. It's not, but it feels like it. Doesn't smell like an egg, so it doesn't stink like an egg. Uh-oh. Alright, so we're gonna try this. It smells good. Damn! Okay, this is all up in my fake teeth right now. Hold on. You can't tell me that there's no egg in that's an egg white. That's straight up an egg white. She said she made this mold out of some almond stuff. It even look, you know how eggs kinda like jiggle a little bit? Alright, jelly? I don't know if John's getting any. These are good. Like I don't really fuck with vegan stuff, but you're actually texting me right now. She added bacon bits to my egg bag for fun. These are really good. You killed this girl. What you making next? Solid 10 out of 10. Those, damn. Bye. Alright. Vegan eggs are cool. Alright. I'll give it to you. I will give it to you. Bring me more stuff.